Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make frozen souffle. Start by preparing your base. Separate eggs, whisk yolks with sugar, and fold in whipped whites gently. Chill the mixture briefly before filling ramekins to ensure even freezing. Label and date containers, then flash freeze for an hour before wrapping. Store in the freezer up to several weeks and bring back to room temperature briefly before reheating for best rise and texture. To freeze successfully, flash freeze the filled ramekins uncovered for 1 hour so they set, then cover tightly with plastic wrap and foil to prevent freezer burn. Use a flat tray to keep everything level and avoid spills. Write the date and contents on the foil to track freshness easily, and store away from strong-smelling foods to keep flavors pure and vibrant when you reheat them later. Preheat your oven and allow frozen soufflés to thaw slightly at room temperature for 10 to 20 minutes so they reheat evenly. Bake at a moderate temperature until puffed and lightly golden, avoiding the microwave which can deflate texture. Watch for a gentle jiggle in the center and test with a toothpick if needed. Let cool for a minute before serving, then add a dusting of sugar or a sauce if you like.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.